Hello and welcome back to the channel. We're continuing Demon Slayer. This is season 2, episode 3. It is titled Should Have Been. Everybody's asleep, pretty much, except for the lower tier demon, lower tier 1. So like the most powerful of the lower tiers, but also the only one that's left.
Yeah, I was just about to say, it's like
by process of elimination.
Lower tier 1 by default.
Yeah, exactly. And just judging by the title, I think we might be getting into some sort of a dream episode here where Tanjiro is going to stay, at least for a little while, in this world where his family is still alive. And then by the end of it, he might get like snapped out of it and come back, and then we can finally do something about what's happening on this frickin' train. But that's it. That's where we are. Do you have anything you want to say before we start?
No.
No? All right. Then, well, I got a haircut. Yay. And also, it's still kind of hot and humid, so we've got the fan in the background. If you can hear it, I apologize for that. But also, the usual spiel, please subscribe if you haven't already, like, comment, it really helps out. Check out the Patreon page where we are several episodes ahead, both with the uncuts and the cut down versions you see here on YouTube. Link down in the description and a pinned comment telling you exactly how far ahead we are over on Patreon. There we go. Let's get into it. Demon Slayer, Mugen Train arc, season 2, episode 3. Here we go.
深い眠りだ。もう目覚めることはできないよ。
Lower 1, yeah. Hey, I know, there's the intro we're not supposed to look at.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Just turning it down a little bit as well. If we're speaking kind of low voices, low tones, or Cat is better at it than I am, it's because the kid is sleeping like right beneath us. Or, you know,
in the room.
In the room beneath us. Yes. Not like right down here. Like beneath, like under the camera. Yes. All right, here we go. Oh, of course. Oh, and it's Nezuko. Of course, this is his happy place.
Sure.
So in his ideal dream world, she's also sort of helpless?
Of course.
Of course, yeah.
Wait.
It's just, I think it's just a representation of them falling deeper into sleep. What is his happy place, though?
古文その1その2あっちからこの洞窟の主の匂いがしますポンポコ
パンジロ
息も聞こえてますで
チュツ
虫いるじゃないか
Oh, and he gets to fight the train.
やつやのどんぐりやるからほら
Why acorns? Okay, what about him though?
俺は何をしに来た。そうだ。父上へ報
Of
告だ。
course, yeah, his father.
柱になったことを。
柱になったからなんだ。
Hmm?
くだらん。どうでもいい。
Huh?
どうせ大したものにはなれないんだ。お前も、俺も。
This ain't happy.
俺も柱になったら父上に認めてもらえるでしょうか。
Oh, yeah.
情熱のある人だったのに、ある日突然剣士を辞めた。あんなにも熱心に俺たちを育ててくれていた人がなぜ。千次郎はもっとかわいそうだろう。物心つく前に病死した母の記憶はほとんどなく、父はあの状態だ。正直に言う。父上は喜んでくれなかった。しかしそんなことで俺の情熱はなくならない。心の炎が消えることはない。お前には兄がいる。兄は弟を信じている。
Okay.
どんな道を歩んでもお前は立派な人間になる。
Is his brother still alive though? Like, for reals?
Do we have any indication that he doesn't?
It's just that that's his happy place, comforting his brother.
眠ってしまえば柱だろうが何だろうが赤子と同じ。ごちそうは鬼狩りどもを始末してからゆっくりいただくとしよう。
Yeah, I was just about to say, what about Nezuko? Like,
Yeah.
こ
そうだ。
Oh, wait, why?
危ない。本体がいる。
Why is she in there with him?
夢の外側には無意識の領域があり、そこに精神の核が存在する。それを破壊しろ。
Oh.
そうすれば夢の持ち主は廃人となる。
Shit, okay. That changes things.
早くこいつの精神の核を破壊して、私も幸せな夢を見せてもらうんだ。
Whoa. It's just fire.
yeah, well, he is a
Flame machine, right? Yeah.
見つけた。精神の核。
Literally.
赤いのを初めて見た。
Never seen a red one before, so she has done this before.
Seems like it.
Oh shit, okay. Is he doing that like subconsciously? Or is he awake? Nope.
術に落ちている時は人間は動くことができないはずなのに。
Probably trained for something like this.
Yeah. He is strong.
今日は炭治郎の好きなおせんべいを焼いてあげるからね。
うわあ、せんべい好きなのは兄ちゃんだけじゃないよ。
私も好き。俺も。
Me three?
It's a bit like Inception, right?
Kinda, yeah.
ねずこ？
姉ちゃん、山に山菜取りに行ってるよ。
Oh, yeah, what?
昼間なのに？
ダメなの？
Oh.
あいや、あれ変なことばかり言ってしまう。疲れてるのかな。何だったんだろう。一瞬。
Come on, man. Wow, again, I'm sorry. Like, that water animation is so beautiful. Oop.
起きろ！そうか、そうだ俺は。
Yes.
矢の中だ。
Come on.
起きて戦え！戦え！
I'm not gonna say it. But... Oh, fuck it, I am. Tatakai!
ダメだ、目覚めていない。夢の中だ。どうすれば出られる？せっかく夢だと気づけたのに、どうすればいいんだ？
Oh. There we go. So the demon doesn't know about her?
Doesn't seem like it.
No. Aw. Okay. Well, she's seen him do that many times before. Ugh. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's her blood art.
ねずこ！ごめん、行かないと。早く戻らないと。
お兄ちゃん、お兄ちゃんどこ行くの？
Oh shit. Oh no 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 no.
母ちゃん、こっちこっち。お兄ちゃんから急に火が出てきて。
Suddenly burst into flames. Even though he knows this is a dream, this must be so hard.
ああ、ここにいたいな。ずっと。
振り返って戻りたいな。本当ならずっとこうして。
How it should have been.
本当ならみんな今も元気で、禰豆子も日の光の中で青空の下で。俺は今日もここで炭を焼いていた。刀なんて触ることもなかった。本当なら本当なら。
Still doing it though.
もう俺は失った。戻ることはできない。
Oh.
もう一緒にはいられないんだよ。だけどいつだって兄ちゃんはお前のことを思っているから。たくさんありがとうと思うよ。たくさんごめんと思うよ。
Apologize.
どんな時も。
For not being there, perhaps? That happened?
Oh.
早く精神の核を破壊しなければ。
Wow. That's beautiful.
これが彼の心の中。
Yeah. Of course it is.
He's
It's
calm.
yeah. Tanjiro's soul is just the most beautiful ever.
どうしたのかな。まだ誰の核も破壊できてないじゃないか。まあ時間稼ぎができているからいいけど。
Buying you time to do what? Exactly?
早くしないと。禰豆子が血を流している。他のみんなも眠っているなら相当まずい状況だ。
Mm-hmm.
炭治郎。
Hey.
刃を持て。切るべきものはもうある。
夢の中の出来事が現実にも影響する場合、取り返しが。
Oh, you're gonna cut yourself?
迷うな。
Yep.
夢の中の死が現実につながる。
Oh, you're gonna kill yourself.
切るのは。
Well, that's not like Inception, because that was the whole thing there. Like, if you die in the dream, then you die for reals. Oh, you got to. That's one of the worst cliffhangers they've done so far.
Mean.
That was really fucking mean. Ah, whew. Okay, yeah, the episode kind of went in the way that I thought it would, but also kind of not, like with the way that it works with them and their spirit, or what was it, like spiritual core having to be destroyed. Rengoku at least had like some sort of defense mechanism in place, so he's like holding that one at bay. I don't know with Zenitsu and Inosuke, it doesn't seem like they are at all aware of the fact that they're in a dream, no matter how far out their dream actually is. Like, Jesus.
よく覚悟を決められたな。
いつも父さんに言われてたから。
自分が苦しい時でも人を慈しむことができるしなやかで強い人間になれ。
父さん、俺頑張るから。次回第4話、侮辱。
Beautiful. Excuse me, I don't know what happened there. But yeah, that was season 2, episode 3. And yeah, I just talked about how, you know, we thought that everything was gonna take place inside of a dream. I thought they were mostly gonna focus on Tanjiro throughout the entire episode. Like they did in the latter half of it, but we also got to see what was going on with Zenitsu and Inosuke, and Flame Hashira Rengoku. And the fact that Nezuko is not sleeping.
No, because she's a demon. So.
Yeah. And seems like they don't know about her. So even Muzan doesn't know about her.
No, because I'm pretty sure that when Tanjiro was approaching him, he was not carrying Nezuko. So
That's right. He kind of just like they were about to eat a bowl of ramen, both of them, and then he just smelled that scent and ran off and actually kind of left Nezuko behind. But I guess it's a good thing that they don't know about her, because her headbutting him, that kind of snapped him out of it.
Not all the way, but
not all the way. Like, he had to do a lot of the work himself, but it gave him that initial push, kind of. Like, he was already suspecting something.
Yeah, sure.
Which is impressive. Like, he's the only one who
of what we've seen so
of
far.
what we've seen so far who's really reacting to it like that. And like, okay, this is weird. There's something off here, something wrong. And when they said that, oh, he asked like, where's Nezuko? Oh, she went outside to pick up some vegetables. Yeah. And he's like, in broad daylight. Like, oh, why is that a problem? Like, oh yeah, that was weird. But man, it must be so freaking hard seeing your family again and being able to live in that happy place with them, but knowing that like something is off here. I have to leave them once again, even though like they're begging me to stay. I have to face the reality that like this is not real. And then we have Inosuke and Zenitsu. That was just pure comedy.
Yeah, I'm a little bit surprised. We talked about it this last time, that Zenitsu is not really responding to the like, because we've seen previously when he's knocked out that he goes into thunderclap mode, and I'm a little bit confused about it.
He's not going into that mode now that he's asleep. Like, we sort of talked a little bit about it last time, that we were sort of expecting.
So we don't have to talk about it again. I'm just saying that well, I'm just a bit confused about it, but we haven't seen the end of it, so perhaps both Inosuke and Zenitsu, they're both like, they will come to it or something.
Yeah, maybe even though like they are really having a good time in their dreams. Zenitsu, of course, with Nezuko, and here in this like peach garden thing that we, when we got the flashback with him, it connects to that, and then him being all strong and just carrying her on his back, and her being helpless, and real Zenitsu stuff there. And then Inosuke is just, why a cave expedition? Why is that something you want? But then of course, like, you get to fight the train, and all of them are just like his underlings, and it's just underling 1, 2, and 3. That was fun.
Yeah, perhaps it's because I think sometimes with dreams, or I think the popular theory is that you kind of process what you've been through during the day. That's what you process when you sleep. So that would make sense in regards to Inosuke, who's dreaming about the train, because
he was so fascinated by it.
The first time he ever saw a train, and he's like, what is this? So he's kind of processing that.
Yeah.
But
then we have, sorry.
Yeah, I was just about to segue into Rengok and his dream. But it seems like this happened before, because he is a Hashira now, right? So I'm thinking this has happened before.
Yeah, maybe it is like a real memory that he just likes to stay in, where he's comforting his little brother. Or maybe something happened to the brother. I don't, not quite sure, but I'm sure we'll dive more into that. I was just impressed with his defense mechanism, where he just like, nope, stay away from me. And then there's the whole thing with the lower tier 1 demon doing all of this, that it buys them time to do what exactly, or is it just like, cause why not just devour them now while they're sleeping?
Because
why?
But that's kind of what they said, right? That they couldn't really be sure, or they had to wait for the spiritual cores to be destroyed before the feast.
Yeah.
And of course, they need to take out the demon slayers before they can take out the rest of the people on the train.
Yeah, because that's like the only real threat to.
Exactly. So once you've gotten rid of the threat, you can just all the other defenseless poor people.
Yep, exactly. And all of it just to, I'm sure, impress Muzan and be like, okay, there's a reason, or give Muzan a reason to keep them alive as the only lower tier. It might even be bumped up to upper tier, even though like there already are 6 upper. I don't know if there can be a 7th. I don't know how it works, but yeah.
No, I think you will have to. Well, no, we don't know because it's like Muzan makes the rules. But since you're the recruit, you would probably have to stay the lower one, I guess.
Yeah, maybe.
But at least we know that Muzan is east, so he just wants like a lower one to be like good enough for him, and that's also like I think the whole the sole goal for Enmu. I think it's actually the titles or the caption for the title. I don't know what it's called. It was said Enmu.
It said what?
Enmu.
Oh, as the name?
Yeah, as it had like no. The demon has a name.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not.
I didn't notice. But anyway, like the last thing we saw was Tanjiro killing himself in his sleep. So is that gonna work or not? We'll see next time. But at least we can get into Danish word of the day here at the end. I don't think we have anything else, right? Nope. And I think it's fairly obvious what we're gonna choose. Dream?
Yeah.
Yes. So dream in Danish is
Drøm.
Yeah. So it's kind of close,
but not really. So we have the funny little Ø again.
You've seen it before. You know what it sounds like by now.
So it has a bit, because it's not like drøm. It's like drøm.
It kind of sounds like the same.
Not really, but you know, you have to just slightly change the vowel sound a little bit. So when you put it together, it would be drøm instead of drøm.
Yes.
Right. So I'm sorry. It's just I also hate one of those words. Like the R is just so freaking Danish, like so it sounds like we have like it's a common joke that Danish it sounds like you have a throat condition, and with these kind of R's it's very very clear just why people say that, because it's
kind of but there you go. Dream in English, drøm in Danish. Danish word of the day. Yeah. And that'll do it for this reaction and review of Demon Slayer Season 2, Episode 3. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you very soon.